Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Boom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinkin. In today's video, I'm going to talk about that Ethereum is again back above 3,000 US dollar. We haven't seen Ethereum on this level since April 2022. The second thing I would like to talk about, that Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong is saying that every institution is now starting to hold Bitcoin. And the third topic is that Michael Saylor is saying that he's buying Bitcoin forever, no reason to sell the winners, and he's telling the reason why he thinks Bitcoin is a winner and the other asset classes are the losers. So I'm going to tell you that as well. And don't forget, every single day, I'm making you fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain related videos here on Blockchain Bloom. So if you would like to keep yourself up to date, in crypto, then simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, as I'm doing this more than 3.5 years already. And also hit the like button if you like this kind of content, what I'm creating. So now let's do it. Well, when we're looking at the Bitcoin price, we can see that Bitcoin is down 1.6%. Nothing major. Doing sideways movements, 51,376 US dollar, Ethereum at 2,923. But as I said in the title, we have seen Ethereum already above 3,000 US dollar, so 0.5% down basically in the last 24 hours. SIA Coin is the leader with 10% among the top 100. FetchAI up 8%, Leo up about 5%. Among the losers, we have Starknet going down significantly after it started yesterday, and there was this, airdrop issue. Then Airwave 11% down, Beam about 9% down. Yeah, pretty much that's it. When we're looking at the Bitcoin candlestick chart, then we can see this tiny little candle here. Oh, sorry. Let's move to the daily, right? Okay. So here you can see the daily, and yeah, we can see that is this trend line holding. By the way, if I would draw it on the weekly, then it will be a bit lower, right? So this is here in the daily, and the weekly is actually a stronger one. But now I drew it on the daily chart. Anyway, we have this support level here around the 50,000. That's also very important. It might come down to that, and then be going up. Many scenarios, we checking this every single day to stay up to date, because you cannot really make calculations, especially nowadays. It's a very special situation what we have. We have never been so bullish before the halving. So yeah, this is totally a new case right now. And therefore, you cannot really predict what's going to happen, then what will be the Bitcoin price, and all these kind of things. And this is the reason why I believe that we should stay up to date, checking every single day, and changing or making our strategies according to what is happening. But bottom line is, now we are in bullish trend for sure. So far, it's no question. And okay, talking about bullish trend, I like this tweet because this is the bear logic usually. When we were down here, around this 15,400-ish area, that was the bottom for this bear market. The bear said it's going to be 10K. Then we went up. There came another crash. They're saying crash is coming. Watch and learn. And then nothing basically happened major. We moved again. Okay, now we crash short and strong. Still going up. Bullish in denial, we are bearish. And then we had this tiny little thing here today, basically, or this week, put it this week, because this is a weekly chart, and saying that, see, told you so. So, guys, really, now we are in the bullish trend. We just have to simply understand it. Don't worry, bears, your time will come as well. There are going to be bearish trends in the future, no question. But you should really understand that don't go against the trend. Always follow the trend, and right now our trend is clearly bullish, at least in my opinion. Right. Okay, and now let's talk about the first topic. Ethereum again above 3,000 US dollar. Well, we haven't seen Ethereum on this level since April 2022, above 3,000 US dollar, as you can see it here. Today, this is here the daily candle. It was above 3,000. 3,017 was today's high, but yesterday it went all the way to 3,033 US dollar, which shows that it was back above 3,000. Yes, today we see a little correction. It's totally understandable because this is also like a strong level. But yeah, the next step, if we stay bullish, then it could be around 3,500-ish. 3,500-ish, but yeah, we're going to see how this will play out. But talking about, Ethereum, for example, first of all, we have the potential spot ETF, Ethereum ETF approval, and this is definitely a bullish thing. Technically, it can happen, actually, the approval already in May. Or maybe it will happen later, but, the scenario is still there. Also, if you're looking at Bitcoin, we haven't seen Bitcoin so high as it was yesterday because we reached 53,000. This was this bull market's top so far. So not just Ethereum reached a new level. And so, yeah, that's also. And, ETH surged nearly 30% since the beginning of this year, outperforming Bitcoin's 22%. So Ethereum is doing now better than Bitcoin. And also, it's mentionable that the new upgrade for the Ethereum mainnet is coming in, a couple of weeks. Dankun. And it's also a bullish sign, halving. So all these kind of things can push higher Ethereum. But what do you think? You can let me know in the comment section. Okay, now let's move on to the second topic. It's all about that Brian Armstrong, Coinbase CEO, is saying that every institution is now starting to hold crypto. Now, Brian Armstrong, that there is a change happening right now. And this change is that every institution is now starting to hold crypto. So Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong said that every institution is now starting to hold crypto, emphasizing that the asset class will be a standard part of every diversified portfolio. Moreover, executive noted that institutions will eventually be using crypto in other ways, such as holding it on their balance sheet, paying their vendors, or actually doing payroll. So a totally different, new time is now happening. And this has started really with the Bitcoin spot ETF approval and trading and how successful this story so far is. In one way, it's scary. If you really hold real Bitcoin, you don't want to hold, an ETF. But for many, it's much more easy to get into Bitcoin through an ETF, especially for institutions. And the financial advisors actually didn't really get the green light yet, right? So when that really happening, and then they, spread the word, get into Bitcoin, invest in Bitcoin, and all these kind of things, then what's going to happen? It's an interesting thing. We have just really started, and this is all bullish, actually, for the Bitcoin price. Okay. And the third topic about Michael Saylor, who is also bullish about Bitcoin, and saying he's there's no reason to sell the winner. Why? I'll tell you in a sec. Michael Saylor said in an interview that he's buying Bitcoin forever, basically, and there is no reason to sell the winner. And, Saylor claimed that cryptocurrency is technically superior to gold and the S&P 500 and real estate, despite that each asset class having far greater market cap than Bitcoin, which has right now around $1 trillion US dollar. Also said that we believe capital is going to keep flowing from those asset classes into Bitcoin. And that being the case, there is just no reason to sell winner to buy the loser. Simple. That's why he is still all in Bitcoin. I don't know are you agree or disagree here? You know, a couple of interesting things may be that, oh yeah. So the United States-based spot Bitcoin exchange traded fund, excluding the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, hold estimated 270,000 Bitcoin, and that was according to HODL 15 Capital on the 16th of February. So now it's probably even more. You know, it was none before, you know, a month ago, and now 270,000. That's crazy. And the spot ETFs has opened up a gateway for institutional capital to flow into a Bitcoin ecosystem. This is what Saylor is saying. They are facilitating the digital transformation of capital, and every day hundreds of millions of dollars of capital is flowing from traditional analog ecosystem into the digital ecosystem. And this is what right now we're witnessing, and therefore he's saying there's no point to sell the winner to buy the losers. Disagree, agree? You can let me know in the comment section. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day, I'm making you this fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain related videos here on Blockchain Bloom. So if you would like to keep yourself up to date, I think that's important, then simply subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the like button. If you like this kind of content, what I'm creating, highly appreciated. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.